Hey guys, Hailey here from Veterinary Practice Solutions. And welcome to our animated Whiteboard Wednesday. Today's episode is planning for the future. When fires are burning in your office, it can be easy to get distracted. You can get caught in only the here and now. One can easily get wrapped up doing that and forget to plan for the future. Planning from a management perspective is very important. When running a business, you need to have an overall plan for growth. It could involve increasing the number of clients or the number of vets in your clinic. But it's important that you have some idea of where your practice is going. Otherwise, you'll get lost in all the day-to-day activities. And instead of expanding, odds are your clinic is shrinking. This is due to a lack of future planning and doing steps to reach that goal. So take a look at what you want for your practice and lay out some steps to make that happen. For example, say you want to get a new building. You don't just decide you want a new building and then get one. You would have to find a location, get financing, and do other steps leading to having a functioning new facility. If you were to lay out a plan of exactly what needs to get done, and then every week while handling all the things that come up, you did one step, you would eventually reach your goal. Whereas if you didn't, you would just keep handling fires and get more and more tired with no goals being met. So try it out with any goal, big or small, and take a look at what you and your existing staff would have to do to make it happen. If you're interested in more practice tips, attend one of our free webinars. To register, visit www.veterinarypracticesolutions.com/webinars or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.